start to discuss on cyclotron. Cyclotron is a device which helps to accelerate the charges. So this generally needs in nuclear physics, and there are other subjects also where we need to bombard any nucleus or any atom with a very highly accelerated charges. So to accelerate any kind of charge, this instrument is used, which is called cyclotron. Now what happens here is, generally it is constructed in a way that there are two D-shaped discs. Disc is there which is connected to a oscillator or which is AC source, which oscillates, and it is also kept under a magnetic chamber. So there is this magnetic field as well as electric field present, and both are perpendicular to each other. So I can say that they are in crossed field, crossed magnetic as well as electric field. So here what happens at this particular point, suppose this is D1 and this is D2, there are two discs, and a positive charge like proton, positron, deuterium, anything, any positive charge is kept at this particular point or at this particular center, which is the center between these two discs, and this positive charge first starts to move towards the disc which has got the negative polarity. So when it starts to move towards the particular disc which has got negative polarity, by that time, due to this oscillation, the other disc becomes negative and this becomes positive. So the charge now starts to move towards the other disc, that is D2. So like that, it moves between D1 and D2, and due to the magnetic field, it starts to make a circular path. As we know that due to magnetic field, a charged particle would start to move in a circular path. And also due to the electric field, it will the electric field gives the charge a faster motion or accelerates the charge. That's how, oscillating between these two discs, while making this circular path, the charged particle starts to move, and finally it goes with a very high acceleration. It moves out of the chamber, and that's how we get a very highly accelerated particle. So let's see what is the main principle here. The principle mainly here is to accelerate a charged particle in the magnetic field, and the magnetic field makes it to move in a circular path where electric field accelerates it. That's how we get a highly accelerated charged particle. So how does it happen? What is the working behind it? In this case, due to this magnetic force or the magnetic field force makes the charge to move in this particular fashion or in this circular motion. It means that the centripetal force needed for the circular motion is provided by the magnetic force. So I can write the centripetal force is equal to the magnetic force that is given to this particular charged particle. As we know, suppose if the charge has a mass m and it starts with a velocity v, or and the circular radius is r, then we can write this as mv square by r. Whereas magnetic field, since it is perpendicular to the moving of the charge, I can write sine theta, as we know, b q v and sine theta, and sine theta, since theta is 90 degree, sine theta becomes 1. So this doesn't come into the picture. So I can just do this. I can find the magnetic field as mv by qr. So this is the magnetic field that is there. If I want to find the radius, or let's find the velocity with which this maximum velocity with which this would move, then this becomes b q r by m. And since we got the velocity, we also can find the kinetic energy, which is half k is half mv square, which we can write it as half mbqr by m square, this whole square. So m gets cancelled. So this will be b square q square r square by 2m. So this is the kinetic energy with which this particle or this highly charged, highly accelerated, high energy, high kinetic energy particles will come out. So like this, the cyclotron is used on the principle of the working of magnetic field, which gives the centripetal force, and the electric field, which makes it highly energetic and it pushes it back, and that's how we get highly accelerated or highly energetic charged particle coming out of the cyclotron.
If you like the video, then press the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.